మిక్సర్ పోట్లంలో చాలా హ్యాపీ యూనిట్ రాచోల్. ఇట్స్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ టీమ్. అందరికి చాలా కోఆపరేటింగ్ ఉంది, చాలా ఎంతూజియాస్టిక్ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ ఈవెన్ ఫుల్ కో యాక్టర్స్, ఆర్టిస్ట్స్ కూడా అందరికి యాక్టర్స్, సీనియర్ ఆర్టిస్ట్స్ ఉంది. యూనో భగవాన్ గారు, బాలచంద్ర గారు, everybody so cooperative, including technicians. You know, Kalyan, our master cinematographer, the fastest cameraman ever, because we are shooting in such torrid, conditions. There will be such conditions. We are shooting in a traveling bus. We are shooting in jungle. It's beautiful to watch, but it's really difficult to do it. So, Kalyan will be on his toes. Whatever Satish will say, this shot, that shot, angle, in one day we are completing scenes. Not compromising on dates or daylights or anything. There are times when traveling the jungles area, Rajahmundry area ki 110 kilometers it is far. The jungle area 110 kilometers. Even then, by evening 6 o'clock we pack up with all the scenes that we've planned for. It's only because of Satish and Kalyan coordination. Satish will plan, Kalyan will plan the shoot. He'll put the camera immediately, taka. Even his his lightmen, technicians, focus puller, everybody, all of them, andarki chaala enthusiastic sportsmanship attitude undi. Nobody is lazy. Okay, per day voucher, I.V, film, wow, what mere ko kya hai, it's not my movie. This lazy attitude technicians have, it's not there. And that shows in the team captain, Satish, Kalyan, and the Vasu garu, production in charge. Always very to the point. He's always allocating things. Any problem, monsoon, no monsoon, travel shots, any medical help. Kalyani garu, na co-star, one day in the jungle area we were shooting, she fell off and she had a cut, one bruise. Everybody was on the help, everybody's on the toe. So chala andarki teamwork was very important, and I think a team reflects its captain. When you have the heads, production head, direction head, Kalyan from cinematograph, camera team, Bhavya I would specially mention for costume, for production, for direction. I think one person who was doing all the job, Bhavya, on set. So everybody came together and was doing. So I think it together made a very good team, and that will show the result in a very good movie.
నాకెప్పుడు ఒక మాట ఇష్టం ఏంటంటే, ఎవరైనా సరే నువ్వు ఎలా ఉండాలనుకుంటున్నావు అంటే ఊరి చివరి మర్రి చెట్టులో ఉంటే మంచిది అని. ఎందుకంటే ఆ చెట్టు వేసంకాలంలో వచ్చిన వాడికి నీడిస్తుంది, వర్షాకాలంలో తడిస్తూ పరిగెత్తుకుంటూ వస్తే వాడి మీద చినుకులు పడకుండా కాపాడుతుంది. కానీ నువ్వు ఎప్పుడు గుర్తించమని అడగదు అది. నేను అలా మౌనంగా దూరంగా ఊరి చివరి నిలబడి ఉంటుంది. నాకు తెలిసి